Hi everyone, welcome back to Homebody. This is for Lisa. So in this video, I am going to be sharing with you guys what I've done with the items that I've shown you in the previous haul. This lamp that I showed you guys that I purchased from Ross, it was $27.99. I actually moved the cracked glass, the lighter cracked glass lamp out of here and placed it in my family room. And I think that changing over the lamps, it did something to my space. And I'm liking what it did. It made it look a little bit much better than it did before. Now I have it paired with some coffee table books, a candle, and an hourglass stand. And I think it looks 100% better this way. So the other lamp I paired with a faux plant that I have on the opposite side of my room. The plant I actually hauled in my previous shop with me from Home Goods. It was $24.99 and I thought it was so cute and it goes so well with my decor and I'm loving it. So this is the rug that I showed you guys in my previous haul that I purchased from Ross. I was going to use this rug in my master bedroom, but I actually decided to go ahead and use it in my living room. Now this rug is going to go perfect with the new sofa that I'm planning on buying within the next few months. But for now, it still goes well and I'm still loving it. But I just want to share it with you guys now. Now, I almost forgot to mention my tray. I purchased this tray from Home Goods. It was $29.99, you guys. And I saw this tray. It's actually the same tray. However, it's much smaller at Zgallerie for $199. However, it was a tad bit bigger than this one, but it serves the same purpose and I'm loving it. Now the next item I want to share with you guys is this ottoman. This ottoman is super cute, you guys. I am so in love with this ottoman. I should have purchased two. Anyway, it was $39.99 from Home Goods. I purchased it in the most recent shop with me that I just posted. And I am feeling these nail heads, you guys. I actually just ordered me some dining room chairs with some, it's like a smoke gray with some nail heads. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. But anyway, I am feeling this ottoman and it goes perfectly with my space. Okay, you guys, so the next item are these two wall sconces here. I have one on each side of this plaque. The plaque came from Pier 1 and I've had it for many years. But the wall sconces, I got them on sale at Zgallerie. I must have paid like $30 for each one of them. They were regular price at $49, but they had them for $39, plus I got 25% off. And they look so cute in this space. I actually had been having my eye on these sconces for about 6 months now, but I just didn't want to pay $49 for them. So sometimes waiting pays off, you guys. So the next item I want to share with you came from Home Goods from my recent shop with me. I've always wanted one of these, but I just didn't want to pay for it. It was $24.99. And the reason why I grabbed this one is because it has the white specks of grass in it. And I think it's so cute. I also grabbed these heart-shaped placemats, you guys. They were $9.99 a piece and there were only 3 in the I'm just super excited about this particular item. Can't wait to use them in my next tablescape. Okay, you guys. So I purchased this wall art here from Home Goods. It was $59.99. I'm going to be using it in my daughter's room. I purchased this 4-panel white drapes from Home Goods. It was, I think it was $29 or $34.99. It's 4 in a pack. They're 96 inches in length, which is what I like. Because right now her room has gold shears, and I want to change those out to white to lighten up the space. And I also purchased, okay you guys, so I also purchased these boxes. However, they came from Ross. The smaller one was $3.99 and the bigger one was $5.99, and that is a steal for those boxes because they're so cute. And of course Glam, and my daughter needs some space to put some of her items when she's home. And I think all these actual pieces really go well together. So yeah, so these items here are for my daughter's room. Now I did purchase 2 more items, but I'm gonna wait to do those in another video. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Homebody. Thank you guys so much for all your support, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.